Let's review Whynter Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. 3 operational modes. Air conditioner, fan or dehumidifier. This unit can cool up to a 400 square feet space. Full thermostatic control, 61 degrees Fahrenheit 89 degrees Fahrenheit cooling, with digital readout, 24-hour programmable timer, eco-friendly CFC-free green R410 air refrigerant, patented auto drain function, fully exhausts all condensate automatically in most environments. Full installation set includes extendable exhaust and intake hose, up to 60, and window kit, up to 46, max. Window kit length equals 46 min. Window kit length equals 20. Whynter Arc 12 SD portable air conditioner is specifically designed to be mobile and powerful. This dual-hose portable air conditioner is the ideal solution to keep any small space such as bedroom, office, server room cool.